बारे में पता और कुछ नहीं पता है।
They want to run away from responsibilities.
वो पावर वगैरह होती है यार, उनके पास अच्छी खासी पावर होती है लाल बत्ती वालों के पास। हेलो गाइस, आशीष हियर, बैक विद अनदर वीडियो। सो आज की वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है। तो हमने पूछा है लड़कियों को कि ऐसा कौन सा प्रोफेशन है, कौन सा ऐसा काम है जिस प्रोफेशन के लड़के को वो कभी डेट नहीं करेंगे। इंटरेस्टिंग है, लेट्स गो। आई नो द नेम।
स्नेहा विल्शा।
ऐसा कौन सा प्रोफेशन है जो आपको नहीं पसंद, जिस प्रोफेशन के लड़के को आप कभी डेट नहीं करोगे?
Like anyone famous?
फेमस लाइक मी?
Probably.
Just joking. I'm not famous now.
No,
Yet.
but anyone like who's a public face.
Ah, okay. So you like to stay in a low-key relationship.
Yep.
You're ज़्यादा famous ना हो.
Definitely not.
Makes sense. What about you?
I can't think of any right now, but I like to win arguments, so I wouldn't date a lawyer.
You would date a lawyer?
I wouldn't date a lawyer.
You wouldn't do okay.
So yeah, I want to win the argument. So
Oh
I
my
wanna
God.
be- yeah.
It's a good one, by the way. Yeah.
I mean, I have to win the argument. So if a lawyer is up against me, that will become difficult. I'm not saying I won't win. I might as well. मैं वकील को डेट नहीं करूँगी क्योंकि मुझे आर्ग्यूमेंट जीतना पसंद है. My Hindi is very pathetic. If you have put me on the spot, so that's why I would refrain. But yeah.
That's a good one, interesting one. Like you're not the first girl who's saying this thing कि वो किसी famous बंदे को डेट नहीं करेगी. So is there a reason, strong reason behind it? कि बहुत लड़कियों ने बोला ये चीज़.
I think it's like getting in the eyes of the public. Like you don't really want other people to know what's happening, and it's like people try getting involved in it. Then so it's rather just keep it low profile.
And the guy, if a guy is famous, so he must be having a lot of options. Maybe that's it.
Exactly. No, even that it's if he's a
Creates a
public
mental
face,
problem.
people are gonna have opinion about everything that you do.
Is there a thing like you'll get jealous also if he's having a lot
It's
of.
like I'll give you a very simple example. It's the whole Sobita controversy going on right now. People have opinion on other people's relationship. Like just let them be.
Yeah, same thing like goes to Hardik Pandya and all.
Yeah, exactly. Like just let people be.
Makes sense. That makes sense actually. So, name, what's your name?
Lakshita.
Lakshita.
Yeah.
Nice name.
Thank you. Yours?
My name is Ashish.
Nice to meet you.
Same here. So we have a question, very simple question. We just want to know, a lot of guys want to know, is there any profession which girls doesn't like?
Girls
As-
don't like.
Which you don't like? Like ऐसा कोई लड़का होगा जो उस प्रोफेशन का लड़का आप कभी डेट नहीं करोगे लाइफ में.
Engineers.
So sad. Engineers, okay.
Yeah, definitely engineers.
80% population of the India is engineer. So आपको बहुत कम.
Sorry guys.
Alright. So
Yeah,
why
it's
can you explain?
engineers. The ones that I've met, they're very geeky, very nerdy. उनको सिर्फ इंजीनियरिंग के बारे में पता और कुछ नहीं पता है. And my dad is an engineer, so it's like, अच्छा, sorry, no papa. That's it for me. So yeah,
They are boring you trying to say?
I won't say boring, but यार थोड़ा बाहर भी देखो यार, मार्केटिंग में देखो, फाइनेंस में देखो, कुछ तो और देखो अपने इंजीनियरिंग के अलावा. That's my take.
What's your profession?
Marketing.
Oh, that's why.
Digital.
You'd like
I'd
to.
love to date a lawyer.
But I heard that girls likes to win arguments. So how can you win an argument in front of lawyer?
अरे वही तो फन है ना कि मतलब वो मेरे साथ आर्ग्यूमेंट करे और मैं जीत जाऊँ. लॉयर को हरा दिया. That's
Oh.
my perspective.
That ego satisfaction, yeah.
Yeah, for sure. अरे लड़कियों में भी ईगो होता है.
बहुत होता है. I
For
agree.
sure, for sure. Yeah.
So आपको lawyer को हराना.
Either be in marketing and compete with me, or be a lawyer so that I can, like, you can lose in front of me.
क्या बात है. And what's the name?
Shreya.
ऐसा कौन सा प्रोफेशन है जो लड़कियों को नहीं पसंद, जो आप डेट नहीं करोगे कभी प्रोफेशन के लड़के को?
DJ.
Can you just explain why?
I don't know how to explain this, but they have Peter Pan complex. They want to run away from responsibilities.
Okay.
So usually DJ are that type, so I wouldn't date.
Why? Can you just explain? ऐसा क्यों लगा आपको? DJs होते हैं रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से भागते हैं.
Yeah, responsibility when it comes to their probably family or girlfriend or something. I think they choose this profession to escape from their life, the traumas of their life.
Okay.
Yeah, usually that's the case with me.
And
Please don't hate me, but
DJ का job जो होता है, it's not that they can't be consistent with that work and all like it's very.
they're on the tour, and usually people who are on the tour, they find it hard to keep a relationship. So I think, yeah, probably other people who tour really hard obviously ask the artists. They're very, I mean, what do I say? That's a good package to look at. Like artists is interesting thing to read, but I wouldn't.
I thought like DJ is a very cool job. Like it's a
That's
very
what it is.
girls
It is
love-
cool on surface, but
Okay.
then you open the onion layers, and there is years and years of drama.
So we have a question, very interesting question. Lot of guys want to know कि एक ऐसा कोई प्रोफेशन है, कोई ऐसा प्रोफेशन है जो लड़कियों को नहीं पसंद, जिस प्रोफेशन के लड़कियों को आप कभी डेट नहीं करोगे. It's very important. You know.
I think law, guys.
Law.
Yeah.
Lawyer.
Yeah.
You know, you're the second one who's saying this.
Because they're very argumentative.
Same thing. Same thing. Like, you know, a girl said just now, like, you know, she likes to win arguments, so that's why she doesn't want to date a lawyer.
Oh my god, that's true, that's true. They are very argumentative because my best friend is that.
And girls like to win arguments, right?
No.
Girls likes to win
I think
arguments.
they like to win and then there's like, you know, the pause in between. Which you cannot complete.
Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. What about you?
I'll say either law or political science.
Political.
Yeah.
I know like girls doesn't like politics much, like guys who run politics.
I really love politics. I love politics.
You love? Okay. वो पावर वगैरह होती है यार, उनके पास अच्छी खासी पावर होती है लाल बत्ती वालों के पास. What about you?
I don't know. I think someone who's like a politician or something.
Okay, again. All right, politician. Why? Can you explain why?
I don't know. It's just they have like a lot of opinions. They are just they have like a lot of biased opinions, and they're very angry all the time for some reason, and then they get offended like very easily. They're not very open-minded, so probably someone like
Okay.
that.
Okay, but they have a lot of power. Like, you know, girls like powerful men.
But not power like that.
Not power like that.
No. It comes with a lot of danger.
Okay, makes sense. हाँ?
के बारे में पूछना, तेरे प्रोफेशन में कोई डेट करेगा क्या?
मेरे प्रोफेशन का. So I'm a boxing coach. So what do you think about my profession?
I don't mind like dating someone like that unless like they are very like angry. I don't like people who have short temper because yeah. So if someone's like that, then probably not.
I mean, yeah, I don't mind given that they can control their temper.
But yeah, the boxing thing is like at school, right? MMA thing and all.
I'm having trouble finding girls.
No, I have a girl, very beautiful girl with me.
You can lure girls.
She's also a national level hockey player, so she's like, you know, she's also, we gel very nicely. We both are competitive and all, so it's good. I hope you like the video, guys. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए वीडियो को, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को अगर अब तक नहीं किया है तो, and share this video to your friends. Thank you for the love and support.